My only surprise is that Biafra, of course, have delayed the restoration or resurrection of its sovereignty. That is coming from Wole Soyinka, Professor Wole Soyinka. That I am surprised that up till now, Biafra would have been restored. But the delay is what I don't understand. Because the people are determined to make every sacrifice to preserve their identity, and there is nothing anyone can do. You cannot defeat Biafra. Your take on this?
Yeah, I respect Wale Soyinka for this word, the statement he dropped. But the place I want to correct him that listen, Biafra resurrection is not something of a human being. It's more than imagination where a human being can reason it. Are you getting me? Biafra supposed to come in 2014. 2014 when Obasanjo is a president of Nigeria. I been 2014? Yeah, 2014. 2014.
2099. I mean, 1999.
1999, okay, something like that. When Biafra supposed to go, but our heavenly Father, Chukwu Okike Abiama, never do what? Never say he so they will come, approve it. Bible said that we are a Christian, we are a Jewish. He said that the word of God immediately left his mouth, it must come to fulfill. If it don't come to pass, it's heaven and earth will do what? Will pass away. Biafra issue is not something of what human being is looking at. If it's something like what human being can do it, Odumogwe Ejukwu is the person that are supposed to come achieve Biafra immediately. And another person who achieve it fast is Owazirike. But it's not something that for a human being, everything have the time. Now look at Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. What is Nnamdi Kanu do that? What? He first liberate the whole Africa to know their identity. Are you getting me? He first liberate Africa to get identity. Africa don't have identity before. We don't know where we come from. But Nnamdi Kanu already bring that thing. All the whole Biafrans, they already know their brothers and their sisters. Now, if your man can come and hug me as a Biafra man, River State man can come and hug me as a Biafra man because of what? That enmity between Biafrans and Igbos and all those neighboring towns, you already be watching and they can already break it. We already come together. Now, the journey we are fighting about Biafra issue that all of us will join hands together, achieve that one goal, Biafra. Now, Wale Soyinka, Biafra will come the day God wants it. It's not the day we human being want it. We know that it's not more long. It can come now, it can come tomorrow, but only day God will sign it. And God must use a human being. He cannot come himself. You understand? Thank you, my brother. As you use Moses, Moses carry Israel to almost the promised land. But who carry Israel land for the promised land? Joshua. Joshua and Caleb. Are you getting me now? The people that carry Biafra far, many of them already fall. Now, these two men again, Joshua and Caleb, Nnamdi and Samuel Ekpa, and some men, we are just putting those two people, even though Joshua and Caleb is not only people that carry Israel to promised land, there is some men that see will do a lot of work. That's what is happening in Biafra land. Biafra land will reach, we will enter our Biafra land the day God wants it. No river can stop it. If you like, call many nations to stop Biafra, cannot stop it because the hand of God with Biafrans. Wale Soyinka, I respect before Let me tell you, when you are Soyinka have one issue with one a little boy in the boat, in the flight, that's when I stop respect Wale Soyinka. But this word he said that I still respect as elderly man.
Yes, because he said that Biafrans cannot be defeated, that no power on earth can defeat a people who are determined, and of course, who are willing to make any sacrifice to preserve their identity. That means Nigeria is fighting a lost battle as far as they are fighting a people who have resolved to move on with their life and identity preservation. So Nigeria is fighting a really defeated battle as far as that is concerned. That is the submission of Wallace Soyinka, and that is a great one. Thank you once again for being part of this interesting moment here. God bless you.